Welcome to the WebXfix YouTube channel again. Today topic is about Windows update. Let's join with this series and get some knowledge regarding Windows 10 updates. Alright guys, so most of you, the non-tech people, when they are working, they might fail, sometime the applications are not opening well, so some drivers issue, some slowness of this computer. So this might be occur because your Windows is not up to date with the current system. So basically you can check these things by yourself before you go or move into the uh, technical team. Sometimes it's better to go with the technical teams anyhow, that you can at least check by yourself what is the reason. So let's move into the things that you can see by yourself. Is there any updates available, or how to run it, how to forcefully run it, and things. Okay, first of all, the WebXfix, we are an online IT support team where we give a personal and industry support via the 24/7 by online using the secured method. So if you have any further issues, you can always get back to us. We will here to help you 24/7. You have all the numbers that you can reach us. Let's move into the solutions that we are going to suggest. First of all, how you can check your the Windows is up to date or not. So for that, you need to go into the update center, so which you can find it on your computer by typing in the search option. You can type directly update, right? You can directly come this check updates option, so you can directly go into that. But apart from that, you can also go to this setting, right? So when the setting open, you will get this kind of display. From this display, you can select update and security. So when you press this one, I will make it big. You can see over here, so you can always see is the Windows is up to date for the time, right? So if not, you might see there are some available updates over here, right? Some red color mark over here and some updates over here. But if you see something like this, meaning your computer is currently up to date, but even though you can click for the check updates, so it will search on online in the Windows store and see whether there is any update over there, right? But for the time being, in my computer is currently up to date. It's checked by yesterday, but sometimes your computer might not up to date, that you can always select check for updates. But sometime you might not have this option to check updates by over here. So it depends on the it because actually you didn't, if the computer is not upgraded from the past couple of months, then it might disappear, right? So at the moment, you have to update your computer very forcefully. So there are a couple of things that you need to do. First, you can open the command prompt, which is you can find it on your search option. Just type cmd, then you can see a black image with the command prompt app. So you just open it with the run as administrator. Just press OK. Then you will see something like this, and here you need to type a command, very small command, and I will put it into the description that you can copy and paste. So this is that you need to type, right? So it's a command for check forcefully Windows update is available or not. Just paste it on your command prompt once you copy, and then press enter. So once you press enter, it will automatically check the available Windows updates for you, and it will always when you close this, once you run that command, you just need to close the this window, and then you have to again open it. So then you can see it start the download process. So you can see it goes 0 to 100 in each time, and then once the all the update download, so you will get an option called restarted, something like this. But also you will get a notification in the town saying restart your computer, right? Or else, it's normally that if you close the computer in the evening and power on it the next day, also Windows downloads updates will be installed. And apart from that, to resolve this issue, not doing this manually, you can do it automatically, which is completely easy, that I'll follow you guys how to do it. So first you have to go into the search option and you have to type services. So in this services, click on that, and then you will get a window which manage all the backend services which is running on the our Windows 10. So over there, what we're going to do is we're going to automatically put automatically Windows update for. So you will get something like this open under services, and you need to go to the Windows update. You can find it over here. So it's over here, Windows update. So basically sometime these computers are arranged to manual, so something like this. So I have put it to do myself, but if you want to do it automatically, what you need to do is just right click on it, go to properties, and change it to the automatic, right? So whenever the updates available, then it will automatically update your Windows. Also, even though if you have automatic, your Wi-Fi need to be not in the metered connection. So first you need to check your Wi-Fi is in the metered connection or not. So for example, you just right click, just click on this Wi-Fi signal bar, and you go to properties. So once you go to properties, you can find over here option called metered connection. So if you put it into the metered, meaning even though if you put the Windows download should be automatic, it won't happen because your connection is metered, meaning as a limited. So it always save your data. But if you put it as a not metered connection, and then you have Windows update automatically, obviously the Windows update will automatically run, but sometimes it's not. So you have to always time to time check your updates by going to the update center, which is very easy. But sometimes some updates are not automatically downloaded, that we need to do some stuff in order to make it download, right? So these days one a new updates coming like 1908, so 09, those things. And let's check your Windows is up to date or not. So in order to prevent all the scamming attacks or virus attacks, or the attacks or things that can be easily or prevent, like it's kind of a first barrier to safeguard your computer. So keep up to date your all the Windows operating systems, and I hope guys you got a new knowledge from this series. Let's meet you guys again with this kind of good topic. See you guys. Please subscribe, share, comment, and let us know your ideas. Thank you.